Hello, and guess who's back? It's Ashley, and today Ashley is showing us how to do that perfect cat eye, which a cat eye is basically my staple. I think I do a cat eye, like a black cat eye, every day. And you are showing us how to do it with a pop of color. And I chose purple for my pop of color.
Vibrant purple. Let's play. So this one is from Makeup Forever, and it is Aqua XL.
Wow, so I've never done a cat eye with a liquid liner like that. I always use like the pen.
A pen, okay. So, you can put eyeliner on with either a pencil, with a liquid, or with a gel base. I tend to like a gel base because you can use a brush and you can make it really, really precise. And then gels tend to be a little bit easier to work with for people just because of the shape of the brush. So we're gonna start with your eyes closed. And then when you close your eyes, you also kind of want to like stretch your eyes to make that area as flat as you can. Perfect. And then you're gonna come in, and instead of trying to just draw a straight line across, you're just gonna kind of play connect the dots. So you're gonna just tap with the edge of the brush. And definitely starting with a clean line, and then you can work out that cat eye because you're gonna have to do that with your eyes open.
And do you do the line starting from the inner corner of the eye or halfway, or what do you do?
So I tend to start in the middle and then work out and then work into the inner corner. And then for that really, really fine detail work, then you'll probably have your eye open and get in there more. So you never wanna just try and do it all in one fell swoop. So then we're gonna switch eyes, and we're gonna do the same amount on the other side.
So I love using purple because I have hazel eyes and purple seems to bring out the green. And so what's a good color for someone with blue eyes or gray or brown?
So a good way to do that is to look at the color wheel, and pretty much anything that's on the opposite side of the color wheel is going to bring out your eyes the most. So for blue eyes, anything that's like an orangey base, but that could also mean like a rich brown. And then for brown eyes, dark blue, any kind of blue looks really beautiful on it too. So whatever way on the color wheel you are, you just reverse it.
Got it.
But this is beautiful. This is so fun.
So excited.
Okay, and so then for the wing part,
My favorite.
do you like your wing to go up more or to go out more?
It depends. I do both. How about today we go up more?
Okay.
Up and out. Like
Up and out. Okay.
dramatic.
So that just depends on how you are going to do it. So if we're gonna go up and out, then you can look straight forward, and then you're gonna kind of go towards the end of your brow. And you're just going to, again, use the brush and tap, tap, tap. And then you wanna start with that base to make sure that there's balance in the eye. And then again, we're gonna just play a little connect the dots. So you're gonna close your eyes, and then turn this way a little bit. And then you're going to connect that line to the line you just drew. Now, however big or like delicate you want the line to be is totally up to you. But definitely making sure that the product is evenly placed on the brush and that it comes down to a really fine point is important, and that there's enough product on the brush so that it's easily transferable onto the eye. And cat eyes definitely take a little bit more work. You have to practice at them. They can be challenging, but I mean, like with anything, the more that you practice, the better you're gonna get at it. So obviously, cat eyes are a little tricky. So what do you do if you mess up?
Right.
What do you do?
Start all over.
Oh no!
No, or sometimes I'll take like a Q-tip and just get some eye makeup remover, and I'll like go under the, if I mess up on the wing part,
Yeah.
I'll use the Q-tip to straighten it out.
That's great.
Or I just make the cat eye a lot thicker. Thicker, longer, bigger.
You know, it might be
Layered
time
on.
for a more dramatic cat eye. So I love the Bioderma. It is non-oily, which is really nice. And then I have a teeny tiny little Q-tip. And then you'll just come right here and clean up that line so that it gets nice and crisp. And then you can go back in with your concealer to kind of just touch up that area. But I think that's the thing is like, if sometimes when you're nervous about doing it right, it puts more pressure on you, where it's like, there's eye makeup remover.
Yeah,
It's fine,
that's true.
don't worry. And this gives you actually a much cleaner line anyway, so why not use it?
Perfect.
And then
Perfect.
I would just say, I want to just do a little bit on the inner corner. So I'd say look open, look down and this way. So I just want to get all the way to the inner rim of the eye. And then same on the other side, look down on that way. You got yourself a fierce little cat eye.
And so Ashley, when you're doing a pop of color with like a cat eye or something kind of crazy like this, would you recommend the rest of your makeup be kind of neutral and not stand
Yeah,
out?
like your makeup's neutral, your clothes are kind of neutral, and then it has like, just look at you, like this
I'm
is
totally neutral with my cat shirt on.
but it's neutral colors, so it
Yeah.
still works. So everything is golden and brown, and then there's this color on the eye that you're just like drawn into.
Ah, perfect.
Perfect.
Oh. Thank you, Ashley, for my saucy, sexy cat eye. I'm gonna start doing more color with my cat eye just to like mix it up. So make sure you check in with us if you choose a cat eye. We wanna see your color too. We'll see ya, bye.